Hello. First off, do not make fun of me for the Bandicam watermark. I could not make this work any other way. Second off, welcome to my tutorial on how to add images to other people's characters on toyhouse.com on a computer. So first off, navigate yourself to the character that you will be uploading your image to. The only thing you'll need from this page is just this string of numbers, and you'll just copy that, Control C, and then you go to the submit, down to image, and we're just gonna drag our image in here. This will be my gorgeous gift for him. And right here on characters, you just click down to select like a search all by ID, and just paste it in here, Control V, and there. It should show up. There are cases when the characters doesn't show up. That sucks. Just like try refreshing the page or like waiting a little bit. There's also the other way where you can select from other users' characters, where you can just instead type their username in here, and shabam! You can also select them from here. There isn't two of him, so I'm not going to, but like, here it is. And this is literally all you need to do. Apply the necessary filters if there happens to be any. But for me, I am set and done. But yeah, that's it, I think. Okay, thank you, goodbye.